Hello and welcome viewers and subscribers of AVG News. Olisi, the son of Ngube, is my name. I want to respond to some questions from Zimbabwe exemption permit holders who have been sending us messages, calling us with worry that they applied for the waivers in 2022, seeking to move from the ZEP to a mainstream South African permit. But their worry is that it's been close to 3 years now. They still haven't received their outcomes, and they're wondering if indeed these outcomes are coming, or their applications have been forgotten, or there's been a problem at Home Affairs. And many of them have been asking us if they should start afresh with their applications. And this is what I want to respond to. But before I go ahead, I would like to ask you to subscribe to this channel, to like this video, and to share it. So if you applied in 2022 for your waiver and you are on the ZEP, you haven't received the outcome, you can track your outcome on the VFS website. If it says application received at VFS on such a date in 2022, it means that the adjudication process is still ongoing. It hasn't been yet adjudicated, and the outcome has not yet been released. So just be patient. Don't panic. You don't need to start afresh. You just need to await the outcome of your waiver. Don't go ahead and apply for a general work visa if you're on the ZEP and your waiver is not yet out, because at the end of the day, you will apply, you'll pay your money, and they will reject you. Once they reject you, you need to pay more than 1,000 again for appeal. So just be patient. Await the outcome of your waiver. Once it's out, then you apply for your general work visa. You pay for it, and then when you go to submit, among the documents that are written, or on top of the documents that are written on the checklist, also include a copy of your waiver. Also include directive number 7 from the Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Leon Schreiber, stating that he has waived the requirement for a Department of Employment and Labor certificate and the requirement for a SACA evaluation certificate for those that are already in possession of waivers, because those are the grounds on which many have been rejected. But also, if you are working for a company, make sure that the company gives you the CIPC document. It's called the CK document by others, which indicates that the company is a registered entity and is running or is operating in South Africa as a private limited company or a public limited company or whatever it is. For as long as it is registered with the registrar of companies, you need that particular document, not a note stating that, but it must be there, the CIPC or the CK document itself. So companies have been reluctant to give this to their employees. But please, if you're a company owner and you are listening to this, please, there is nothing that the employee will do. They just want to submit at Home Affairs to show that this is a company that is in existence, and therefore they need to be granted that particular document, the general work visa. We have seen people who have received general work visas and they are spanning 5 years. So it is something that is living, it is something that is real. So please don't panic if your waiver is not yet out. Don't rush. Don't be forced into rushing, but just because somebody who applied before you or somebody that applied just after you has received theirs, therefore you have to panic. Don't panic. Just be patient. Your waiver is coming, and before your waiver outcome is out, don't rush to apply for a general work visa. If you have already applied for a general work visa but you are still awaiting the outcome of your waiver, don't book your appointment, but do so after your waiver is out. I hope I've made myself clear then. But if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to WhatsApp us on +2773 962 3075, or to use the comment section underneath this document. Don't call us. Send a WhatsApp message. Don't send a voice note. Just send a text message, and we're going to respond to you with your questions. We're going to give you the answers that we have. Where we don't have the answers offhand, we will do our research. We talk directly to the Department of Home Affairs, and then we'll give you that answer. For now, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. But also keep the conversation going. Raise your questions with us. Bring your complaints to us, and also tell us where you are in terms of your application. If you haven't yet applied for a waiver but you are on the ZEP, do so now, because the process is still going, it's still ongoing. If you received your waiver, don't hesitate, right away apply for a general work visa. Thank you very much.